Okay guys, so today's topic is going to be on molar mass, and molar mass is abbreviated mm, and basically what the molar mass is, it's the mass in grams of 1 mole of a substance, and the units for molar mass is gram per mole. Now for any element, the molar mass is going to be listed on the periodic table underneath the elemental symbol. Now if we look here for carbon, the molar mass is the lower decimal number. Now we've learned previously that the atomic mass, or the average atomic mass for one atom of carbon was 12.011 AMU. Well, now we know that the molar mass for 1 mole of carbon is going to weigh, or is going to equal 12.011 grams. So the molar mass for every element is going to be different. For a compound, all you're going to do is add the molar masses together. So if I wanted to look at the molar mass of H2O, I have 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, so I'm going to add together the molar mass of 2 hydrogens, and that's 2 times 1.0079 plus 16.00. Now to make things easier for you guys, we're going to round up our numbers to the nearest whole number. So we're going to use all whole numbers. So for hydrogen, our molar mass is going to equal to 1. For oxygen, our molar mass is going to equal to 16. There's only 2 elements where you're going to need to use a decimal point. Okay? And the 2 elements are chlorine, which will always be 35.5, and copper, which will always be 63.5. Other than that, every single other element you're going to round up its molar mass or round down respectively, depending upon what the molar mass is. So for H2O, we have 2 times 1, which equals 2, plus 16. So our molar mass for H2O is going to be 18 grams per mole. Now, we have a couple other examples. If we want to look at the molar mass of magnesium chloride. Magnesium has a molar mass of 24.30, so that's going to be 24 plus 2 times the molar mass of chlorine, which is going to be 2 times 35.5. This is equal to 71. 24 plus 71. We get our molar mass of magnesium chloride to be 95 grams per mole. If we want to know the molar mass of acetic acid, first thing we need is the formula for acetic acid, HC2H3O2, and we're going to do the same thing. We have the molar mass, we have 4 times the molar mass of hydrogen, so this is going to be 4 times 1, plus the molar mass of 2 times the molar mass of carbon, so this is going to be 2 times 12, and then 2 times the molar mass of oxygen, and this is going to be 2 times 16. So we have 4 plus 24 plus 32 equaling a molar mass of 28 plus 32 of 60 grams per mole. Now, one thing that you might see is parentheses. If you find an element or a compound that has parentheses, you're going to use the distributive property. So this means we have 2 phosphoruses and 2 times 4 and 8 oxygens. Okay. So you treat that the same way as you would everything else. Okay? And we're going to be, so have these examples in your notes for homework. You're going to follow them tomorrow and you're going to be working on this in class. Have a good night.